So today I'm going to try and tackle the wind problem that the Ford Transit seems to have. It's a noise problem and kind of leaks air a little bit on the driver and passenger side front doors. So looking at the forums, there's 3 solutions people generally agree on what works. One of them is add a third sill. The current Ford Transit only has 2. Another idea is to add the wind deflectors on your windows. I don't have a whole lot of confidence in those actually fixing it, but I did want those anyway, so we'll just add it today. Some other people mention adding door sill edge guards. It just kind of helps fill in the gap and kind of helps reduce the sound. I also, this isn't for the doors necessarily, but replacing the current radio antenna with a stubby instead, because the antenna that's on there will just start whipping around in the wind. Kind of makes a whistling noise. I'll use some surface prep and some alcohol just for these. This one's adhesive. I guess the window deflectors are adhesive too. If you haven't heard the sound, I'll put a little video of our road trip when we were in Arizona when I thought the doors were gonna fly off. So just for an example, my current car door, it has an outer edge sill up here. This is the Ford Transit does have this. Right underneath it, there's another door sill that kind of meets up to it. And then there's a third sill around the inside. Ford Transit only has 2. It's missing this one. It doesn't, well, not missing, it just doesn't come with this one. So I'm gonna add a door sill just along the top to mimic that. So you can see here the way Ford Transit did their doors is they have that same type of outer sill that my car has, and then they have the inner one that goes around the whole 360 around. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the third sill on this metal. There's like a little metal ridge that kind of sticks out, almost like it's meant for an extra sill to go on. I'm just gonna run it from right behind where the mirror goes, just across the top. So here's the finished door sill, just so you can see it. Just pressed onto the top, just running along the top of it. And I took it down right to about that corner. So, pretty easy, we'll see if it works. So I didn't realize till getting out here and messing with this factory antenna is flexible. It can hit the window. Luckily it has a rubber top on the top, so it don't shatter anything, but easy enough to take off. You can see the separation. It's just kind of rubbery. It's just gonna unscrew. Stubby antenna is a good fit. I think when you look at these things, you want to make sure you get one for your make and model, you know, because it's gonna match up with the base better. I think that could be a difference between them. It's very rugged feeling. You will have less radio service with this, but I don't really use the AM FM radio that often. I use the satellite radio that's included. So here's the Windows wind deflector installed. It's just a pill and stick. It presses onto the paint, not the rubber. Initially I was aiming for the rubber and I was like, oh, this thing doesn't fit, but I guess that'd be a really poor choice to mount something onto. So aim for the outer part of the paint. It goes on real nice, real easy. So I'm not gonna do it today, but that door edge guard stuff, I just cut a little piece of it off just to kind of demonstrate what it's supposed to do. So there's a little rubber seal in here. I can move it with my finger. By putting that door edge guard on, you can kind of increase the tension, like it's gonna help force that up into the vehicle a little bit better. So that's the idea with that one working. I don't like the way this stuff looks, so I'm gonna try driving the vehicle with just the sills and the window deflectors and see how it goes, and then if I have to, then I'll use this. Probably just use this along the top edge, but I'll see how it looks. So after all is said and done, that's how much door sill I have left. So plenty of extra door sill to address any other doors that might need an extra sill put on them. The door edge guards, I ended up not even using them. After I did the door sills and the wind deflectors and the antenna, I took it for a drive, and the wind noise is gone. We actually had high winds kind of last evening, so that's why I just decided to take it out and try it out. Everything worked well, so yeah, pretty happy with it. So next video, my headlights finally showed up, so next video I'll be changing the headlights over to LED. Talk about that a little bit. Please like and subscribe. I'll just keep posting more content as I keep doing stuff. Thanks.